then you're unstoppable. That's the truth. You know, when I went to college, you know, it was a little bit different. We didn't have too much resource back then. We still don't really have too much resource for like the most advanced topics out there. So when you go to the library and you grab a couple of books, you gotta grab like 6, 7, 10 books. And maybe one of those books you will understand, okay? You know, you'll understand the text in there. Okay, so for this is really simple stuff. Basically, for example, one, we're gonna start with, I think this marker works. So what they're asking here is, they're asking is theta equals pi before a solution. This is no different than like before, right? Like when you have your regular x squared plus whatever, you know, if you have, and they ask you, hey, is x equal to a solution? Okay. And what the word solution means in mathematics, it means that if you take this number, substitute it in for x, that you get a true statement. That's really the technical definition of solution in mathematics, right? It's a very, very simple thing. You take 2, plug it in here, and see if you get 0, right? So you plug 2 in there, you square it, you subtract 1, you get 4 minus 1, which is 3, and 3 is not equal to 0. So therefore, 2 is not a solution. Or I should say, x equals 2 is a solution, okay? And then maybe they have another question. Is x equals 1 a solution? And of course, it's the same procedure, right? You take the number, you substitute it in to the equation and see if you get a true statement. That's the key thing, a true statement. You plug 1 in there, square it, subtract 1, you get 0. And 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equals 1 is a solution. Okay. And even then, like writing a solution is a little bit ambiguous. Sometimes it'd be better if you wrote is a solution to the equation. Is a solution to again the equation. Okay. A lot of you guys have to get better at that because the calculus for the BC test, they really expect you to be able to write things in a very clear and coherent way, right? And a lot of you guys, when you do your math, you know, you start here, then it goes over here, there,
That's your word.
arrow goes here, and I can barely read it. Some of the stuff is wrong. Like you have some stuff equals some stuff, but it's missing some stuff. They're not even exactly equal because you omitted some things. So it's kind of like incomplete information from your mind, right? You know what's going on, but you're not recording your thoughts clearly onto the paper. And on the BC test, that's a really important thing. You have to be able to not only record your thoughts, but you need to articulate your thoughts. Okay? So when I say things like, hey, you know, make sure you write like this, really take note of that because that will help you in college especially. In college, one of the biggest differences between high school and college is that they expect your language and the rigor of the way you describe things much, much higher than high school. High school is like teachers don't accept anything. As long as you got the right answer, that's all they care about, which is, in my opinion, a really bad thing. Because the answer is only part of what you're learning. Anyway, so for this one, right, they ask, is pi before a solution to this? As you guys probably can figure out already. You're going to plug pi before in, or substitute pi before in for theta, and then you're going to evaluate this expression and see if you get 0, right? So you get 2 times root 2 over 2 minus 1, and you know, that, the 2's cancel, but root 2 minus 1 is not equal to 0. So pi before is not a solution. Okay? And then likewise, you do that with pi over 6. Theta equals pi over 6. 2 times sine pi over 6 minus 1. Oops. Pi over 6 is 1/2. The 2's cancel. You get 0, which is equal to 0. Okay? I mean, this is a little bit silly. We need to say this. 0 is equal to 0. So there you have it, right? So pi over 6 is a solution to this one. equation, and pi over 4 is on. Okay? Alright. Let me erase any room, I mean, it's right there. Okay. Alright, one down. So we have Paul Latrave, right, versus